Okay, so now I want to show it to you one of the other formats, okay, that is very useful, okay, when you use a Microsoft Excel, okay, is a hide and unhide function. Okay, so example, if you're dealing with a data heavy spreadsheet, okay, sometimes it's helpful, okay, to hide or unhide rows and columns to better see the information you need to analyze. Okay, so Microsoft Excel make it easy to do this. Okay, so how you want to hide the columns and how you want to hide rows in Excel. Okay, so example here, if you refer to this worksheet, okay, so I use the same data as our activity, our subtopic before, that is a freeze and unfreeze panes. Okay, so you need to select the columns or row that you want to hide. Okay, either is multiple adjacent columns or rows, and that you can use a shift key, or you need to select a multiple non-adjacent columns and row, so you can use a control key. Okay, once you make your selections, okay, I will show you the steps, okay, or the method that we can use, okay, to hide the columns or the rows. Okay, there is two ways here. Okay, so example here, I want to hide, okay, non-adjacent columns. Okay, so example, I want to hide column B, all right, and column D. So I hold control button, I select column D. Okay, this is the first way how you want to hide and unhide. Okay, so go to the home tab, home ribbon. All right, can you see under cells group here? Okay, there is one button named as format. All right, you can click this button, and can you see there is one option is to hide and unhide. Okay, in this case we want to hide the columns, so I choose hide columns option. So if you see here, all right, so if you see here, can you see the column, okay, will be hidden, and you'll see a thin double line indicating where the hidden column or row resides. Okay, in this case, okay, here is very thin double lines here. So, and then if you refer to the header, also you can identify actually there is a hidden column in between of the A and C and E, because it's not sequence A and then suddenly jump to C. Where is the B? Okay, actually the author already hide the column B. Okay, all right, so how you want to unhide this column? Okay, so I show you the other way. Okay, rather than we use a home ribbon, this format, I want to unhide, okay, this column by, okay, I select, okay, the column that involve in this involve okay, the hide and unhide process here, and then I go to the column header. Yes, all right, right click, and you can choose one of the option is unhide. So when you click this unhide, okay, you will see they will display again all the unhide columns. Okay, same goes to rows. Okay, example, I want to hide column row number 2, all right, until number 5. Okay, this one I choose to use shift button. All right, this one, okay, I use right click at the row header, I right click and I choose hide. So you will see, all right, there is a thin double line in between row number 1 and number 6. Okay, so here actually there is a hidden rows. Okay, so how you want to unhide it? All right, so you select, okay, the two rows here, okay, in between number 1 until number 6, right click, you choose unhide, and then they will display again all the hide rows. Okay,